Guys, with this 4-hourly candle, the bulls started another breakout out of our big symmetrical or ascending triangle depending on the time frame you're looking at. Is this breakout going to be successful? You will find out during this video, because the bears actually sold off the price in the last half an hour quite a bit, and the bears actually have a chance of forming a huge bearish chart pattern, and I will tell you exactly what the price target of this bearish chart pattern would be. Other than that, I will also give you a big update on my trades. As you guys know, right now I'm in around $13.5 million of long positions with a total profit of almost $2 million. So I have a lot of money on the line, and my game plan has to be perfect, and I have to be ready for every scenario to not lose out on any of those profits, or to even increase the profits we already have. But I would say, let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. I will also, like I said, open up my, I will tell you my exact game plan for my big trades. And also I would, as always, appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video. Yesterday's video, again, reached 100 likes. Every video gets 100 likes at the moment, so I would really appreciate it if we could reach 100 likes below this video again. And other than that, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Leave a comment down below and share the video with the share function. That supports me the most. But let's just jump right into the charts. As you guys already can see, with this 4-hourly candle, which is going to close in around 1 hour, the bulls managed to try to break out of our big symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly time frame again. As you guys can see, within the last minutes, the bears actually sold off the price quite a lot, which probably results in a 4-hourly close below the support line. And with this close, below this, the resistance line, we would have to expect a big M pattern. And this M pattern definitely would result in a breakdown up to maybe $47,000. $47,000 is a very realistic price target if the bears manage to complete this M pattern and break below the neckline of also our huge W pattern that I mentioned in yesterday's video. Maybe you can remember, I told you guys that I expect that the Bitcoin bulls are strong enough to bounce off of this neckline and have another breakout try tomorrow. We are exactly seeing this right now. Sadly, the breakout seems to be failing at the moment, but I will also let you guys know that if we could take a look at the bigger time frames, nothing is lost yet, because the daily time frame, which is definitely more important than the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that as long as we close the daily candle above the $49,500 level, as long as we close the daily candle above the $49,500 level, I think we still have a bullish setup, and I expect a pump up to $55,000 during the next couple of days, which is our price target of the ascending triangle on the daily chart, the $55,000 level. And by coincidence, also the $55,000 level is the next relevant resistance. It's the resistance of our big broadening wedge. So the $55,000 level is a very realistic price target as soon as we have a confirmed breakout. In the best case, first, on the 4-hourly time frame, we want to see a 4-hourly close above this resistance line. So we would need to close a 4-hourly candle above $50,000. If this is the case, during the next 12 hours, we have 3 4-hourly candles left today. So as long as we accomplish a 4-hourly close with one of the next 3 4-hourly candles that are ahead of us, we definitely have to expect a run up to $55,000. In this case, I would then just wait for the final 4-hourly candle to close, which would also result in the daily close in around 12 hours. And if the daily candle then also closes significantly above the $49,500 level, I would definitely scale up my positions once again to make more profits on the way up to $55,000. But like I said, we just have to wait another 12 hours to find out what we have to expect from the Bitcoin price. I mean, the best case for sure would be that the bulls just manage to push this 4-hourly candle above resistance again, and we are just closing this 4-hourly candle already above resistance, and then we would even have three more 4-hourly candles left for today that could result, for example, in a confirmation and stuff like that. So this would be the best case. I personally don't expect the best case scenario at the moment, because the bears showed that they still have a lot of power to sell off the bulls if the bulls try to make a significant breakout out of chart patterns that have a very, very high price target, which would result in a lot of bears getting liquidated and stop lost. So the bears definitely have a big interest to keep the price below this support level for sure. But we have also seen that the bulls are very strong at the moment. I mean, I was expecting this neckline to hold as support for sure, and it did. But in between, the bears actually managed to push the price down a little bit. But as you can see, that the bulls were very strong. The bulls just bought the dump right back up again. So right now we have like contradicting things we are seeing in the charts. We are seeing the bulls with a lot of power. We're seeing the bears with a lot of power. So in this scenario, I would definitely wait for a breakout. I think opening a trade now or scaling up the trade or scaling down the trade, taking profits, would be pure speculation. So I will definitely just wait for either the breakout out of a big symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly and later today on the daily out of our ascending triangle, or I would wait for a 4-hourly close below our neckline. So as soon as we close a 4-hourly candle below the $49,200 level, if we close a 4-hourly candle below the $94,200 level, then I would definitely say it's time to take some profits. We are almost in $2 million of profit with all my positions added up together. So I don't want to risk too much of those profits if we see that the bears are slowly getting control again of the market. But personally, I'm still more bullish than bearish. I expect a breakout to happen out of this symmetrical or ascending triangle, depending on if you're looking on the 4-hourly or the daily time frame. I'm expecting this breakout actually in the next 12 hours. I think the probabilities are still higher for a breakout to the upside, but as you guys can know, there's never a guarantee. There's never a guarantee. We are talking about 70 to 30%, right? 70% probability for a breakout to the upside, 30% probability for a breakout to the downside. So we are talking about a quite high probability of a breakdown. So I want to wait for the breakout confirmation before I'm changing anything with my trades. But either way, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up the like button on this video. I want to upload this video as soon as possible because, as I just mentioned, there is a possibility of a best case scenario that the bulls manage to push the price back up, back above this resistance, and then we would have the best case scenario, and we would have to expect a pump even during this day, maybe up to $53,000. So I definitely want you guys to be prepared for the best case scenario as well, because as we know, Bitcoin sometimes just does the best case scenario, and then we want to be ready for that as well, because in the best case scenarios you can always make the biggest profits. So I will upload this video now as fast as possible. Like I said, I would really appreciate it if we could reach another 100 likes on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and leave a comment down below and share the video with the share function. That supports me the most. But other than that, if we see an insane price movement today, maybe I will upload a second video. Otherwise, we will see us tomorrow. Until then, bye.